Hi everybody, in this video you can have a look at all the technical details. In my projects I like to combine different technologies like 3D printing, 3D modeling and Lego Mindstorms. We can use the central bricks and combine it with engines, with sensors, and so the possibilities are limitless. And we also have an action cam here and a handy here, and we can have a look at what the camera sees via an app, so we can have a perfect remote control for our police robot. Okay, so let's have a look at the details of our police robot. We have the action cam here. It is combined with a Wi-Fi unit that is in the hull. This engine can lift or lower the pistol. We have a second engine who can pull the trigger. And don't worry, this is not a gun, this is an airsoft toy, so everything's legal. And now let's have a look at what is inside. Here you can see the bracket for our pistol. We can easily set the pistol into it or pull it out. And the engine is tightened by special parts who we have built with the 3D printer, and the modeling was quite easy and everything fits perfect. So if you combine 3D printing and Lego Mindstorms in this project, you can do whatever you want. Es läuft einfach noch, du schneidest das wieder, ne? Here we have a frame. This frame was also printed by the 3D printer. And we have special parts, and in order to connect the engines with the frame, das muss ich nochmal erklären. Boah, die sitzen so fest, die kriege ich ja gar nicht so einfach raus. Zu gut gemeint mit der Genauigkeit. Ich brauche mal Feinzange. So. Our bracket can rotate easily. It is fixed on the upper plate. And here we have a frame. This frame is to carry the engine, and we can remove the engines and see that this frame was perfectly designed to combine it with an EV3 engine. So we can fix it, we can release it, and this is no problem for this project. In order to combine the frame with the upper plate, which is just wood, I use screws, and the parts were specially modeled in order to combine the frame with the build plate with screws. So it's very tight and a good combination of these two parts. Now let's have a look at the insides. In the inside we have two EV3 bricks which are combined in a daisy chain mode. So this is simply just one EV3 brick. We can use 8 motors and 8 sensors. And we have an intermediate floor in our hull, so we can have a look at it if we remove our bricks. And beneath this intermediate floor we have 4 motors and the control unit of our action cam, and we have this cable channel. And now you can see the 4 motors and our action cam central unit. These parts were printed and modeled by the 3D modeling software MegaCAD, and we can have a look at all the different parts. Here you can see the remote control. The remote control frame was also modeled and printed, and we use our engines as sensors in this project. If we start the software, we can read in which angle the engine is, and so we can use this information as constraints in our software, and so we can control the left robot side, left side forward, left side backward, right side forward, right side backward, so it can turn on the spot if the right side goes forward and the left side backwards. So especially this is like a tank control. This engine is to raise or to lower the pistol, and this sensor is for the trigger, and we have a special frame for our handy, so it cannot fall off, and we can have a look at the pictures of the action cam, and we can also control the EV3 buttons and have a look at the EV3 display. So this is a perfect remote control in our project.